Well, good evening, everybody. It's William Narod here, the Paradise Guy, up here on the rooftop a little bit late tonight. That's why I have this spotlight burning a hole in my eyeballs right now. And yes, it's painful to look at the camera, so I may look away from time to time. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me for another edition of Hammock Time. If this is your first time here at Hammock Time, or you're wondering why Hammock Time exists, it's because I have lots of years living in paradise-like locations. I've lived in Belize, I've lived in Mexico, and because of that, I've spent years and years of my life sharing the lessons that I've learned in these different locations. And I'm sure you, as a paradise seeker, are here to learn as much as you can, but you don't want to have to watch hours and hours and hours of videos. Well, Hammock Time was born because I want to give you little bits of information, both what to do and what not to do, so that you can be successful. It's really a simple equation. If you want to be successful, you got to listen to people that have been there before you, that have experienced what you're going to experience, that have walked the path ahead of you and worn the path well. So keep watching ParadiseGuy.tv. Keep watching the Hammock Time editions because, again, short bits of information for you to digest, and also a great way for you to suggest future topics is to comment right now down in the comments below, and or send us an email at info@paradiseguy.com. With that, my name is William Narod. It's always a privilege, always a pleasure to help you achieve all of your objectives in paradise. With that, cheers, my friends. Let's hear from you soon, and see you down here even sooner.